Bid now until September 21st in the NorCal Public Media online auction at norcalpublicmedia.org/auction. From Paradise Ridge Winery comes an exclusive experience rarely offered to the public. You'll receive a private reserve wine tasting with caviar and a guided tour of the extensive sculpture and art installations throughout the property for 10 people. See for yourself why Paradise Ridge is one of the best wineries in Sonoma, as you indulge in a multitude of fine wines, caviar, and views from the stunning west-facing veranda. Then enjoy a relaxed tour through the property to view rotating and permanent art exhibits, including the iconic Love sculpture, survivor of the 2017 fires. See stunning art in unique outdoor settings to cap off your Paradise Ridge experience. Bid now on item 7031 at norcalpublicmedia.org/auction.